Hi, hello. I'm Arun Kumar. I'm from Casa Grande Private Limited. We are one of the leading primary developers, residential developers in the space of Chennai.
Okay. So, Mr. Arun Kumar, what's your response and how do you feel after winning, after your achievement today?
Obviously, it's a kind of exhilarating experience for us to be kind of recognized in these kind of forums. We have done a lot of hard work in the last 10 years to kind of be where we are today in terms of actually, creating quality homes in the space of Chennai, and having gained inroads into Bangalore and Coimbatore. We feel that actually we have come here purely because of our customers who have believed that we have been delivering consistent value in the market.
And about Brands Academy and about such awards, what do you think of platforms like these?
These platforms obviously encourage entrepreneurship, the spirit of entrepreneurship, and today's economic scenario is such that actually the whole environment is very conducive to entrepreneurship, and more such recognitions and rewards are obviously a lot of boost and energy to the budding entrepreneurs, and this obviously helps. So obviously we are not anymore possibly because the last 8 to 9 years in business, but these kind of recognitions consistently happening creates a bit of landmark. No doubt actually businesses are meant for driving economic benefits for the people involved. But having said that, obviously it creates a lot of value in the society, and if that were to happen, entrepreneurship has to expand and grow, and these things will go a long way in encouraging that.
Academy as an opportunity for young entrepreneurs across India.
Such kind of recognitions and awards obviously induce more spirit of entrepreneurship in the society, and in this society where it's extremely conducive at this moment in terms of the way the economy is growing, it's extremely conducive for entrepreneurship, and for that to happen actually such recognitions go a long way in creating a lot more of entrepreneurs in the society.